All right. Welcome to the OI Performance app, OI Perform. Today I'm going to kind of demonstrate how you can connect your Fitbit and then talk to you a little bit about how you can connect if you have an Apple Watch or use Google Android capabilities. For the Fitbit, it is a little bit of a roundabout way, and the only way to get this connection and to confirm this connection is through a desktop version of the app. And so when you were sent the initial email, there should be also a login for the desktop version, whether you have a laptop, desktop, Mac, whatever should work. You just need the computer version of the app pulled up and ready like mine is here, and then you can connect to the Fitbit. And really what you have to do is you have to go from app to Fitbit and then Fitbit back to app to make sure that that crossover happens and that both of those systems are recognizing each other. So first things first, once you've logged into the app, you will be brought to your profile from the desktop version, shows that you're online, gives you your kind of Facebook looking profile here to start. And then what you'll want to do is you'll want to come up to the top right corner. Your name, picture, profile picture will all be in that top right corner, and you will use account settings to get this started. At the bottom of the tabs on the left-hand side of account settings is connections. You're going to click into connections, and you'll be given the option to connect to Fitbit, okay? The connect button is going to prompt you into a new window to allow certain features for Fitbit and Virtua Gym to access and write data, basically what you want Fitbit and Virtua Gym, OI Performance, Virtua Gym is the background software that we use, what you want those two to communicate between. When I set mine up the first time, I did allow all because I wanted all settings, all of the locations, GPS if I ever went on a bike ride, sleep, activity, heart rate, weight, all that stuff just to automatically sync within the Virtua Gym and OI Performance app. So once you click allow, it should go through. If you went to the new window, you may be asked to sign into your Fitbit account. Okay, so what that looks like is this here. So it'll ask you, log in, log out, but you will go to your dashboard if it asks you to sign in. If that step that I just did with you does not pop up, but instead it asks you to sign into your dashboard for Fitbit, what you'll do is you will come down to the applications portion on the left-hand side of the screen. You will click into that, and maybe typically what will happen is this will show you that the Virtua Gym OI Performance app is going to interact with your Fitbit account. There we go. So it shows applications. You're authorized these apps to interact with your Fitbit account, Virtua Gym by Virtua Gym, approved on that date. And then this is what it is going to access and write data for. Basically, this is what it's going to auto-populate within your app. And so now, if it didn't give you that first option, it would give you the option to allow all, allow heart rate, allow this, that, or the other. So once this shows under applications that you have authorized our app to interact with your Fitbit account, then it should work from this end as well. And once this says connected, then that should start to auto-populate into your activities. Hopefully this helped. From a Apple Health with the Apple Watches and or the Google, when you go into the main app, you are going to see at the bottom of your profile, there's going to be a connections tab. And I don't have that available as far as what the app looks like, but there'll be a connections tab within the mobile app. And if you are on iOS, it will show you the iOS or Apple version, the Apple Health, which is what is connected to your Apple Watch. You want to make sure that those are synced. And or if you're using an Android, it will be Google Health. So you'll want to make sure that those are synced as well, and then it will automatically start tracking your steps, heart rates, activity level, whatever you kind of give it the ability to access and write. So hopefully this helps. If you have any other questions, please let us know. This will be one of several videos I'm sure that we'll use to kind of give you guys direction on where to go with some of the stuff within the app. Thanks, guys.